Today we're going to be using the midpoint formula to find an endpoint. The midpoint of a line is at -2, 1, and one of the endpoints is at -5, 7, and we want to find the other endpoint. Well, once again, we're going to use our midpoint formula, and our midpoint formula is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now, in this case, we know that one of the endpoints is -5, 7, and we also know the midpoint. So we are going to split this equation in half, first to find the x point, and then to find the y point. All right, let's find that x point. Our x value of our midpoint is -2. So we know that -2 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Here we have our x1, which is -5. So we're going to substitute that in. And we get -2 is equal to -5 plus x2 divided by 2. And this is a two-step equation. The opposite of divided by 2 is times 2, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to clear our denominator. And that's going to leave us with -4 is equal to -5 plus x2. The opposite of -5 is to add 5, so we're going to add 5 to both sides. And we get x2 is equal to -4 plus 5, which is 1. Now we're going to do the same thing for our y variable. Our y midpoint is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to, and our y1 is equal to 7. So 7 plus y2 divided by 2. We're going to do the same thing that we did, and we're going to multiply both sides by 2 in order to clear the denominator. And that gives us 2 is equal to 7 plus y2. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides. And that's going to leave us with -5 is equal to y2. So we have our x value, we have our y value, so the other endpoint is 1, -5.